we're just heading into the market opening in less than about 15 seconds. Looks like it's going to be a strong one. The GIFT Nifty is suggesting a very strong start. Remember, the Nifty has been holding on to 24,100. Today, of course, HDFC Bank will be top of mind for everyone because the weight in the MSCI index will increase. So there'll definitely be large amount of inflows coming in there. Passive inflows of $2.8 to $3 billion is what is expected in HDFC Bank, so 3.5% higher. But apart from that as well, right? I mean, you've had lots of stocks that have been providing support to this market, whether it's Reliance Industries, whether it's something like an Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank sitting at fresh highs. ICICI Bank has been at a fresh high as well. Some of the other IT stocks have started to come back in a big way. So there's plenty of leadership that we're seeing in the market. 80,000, okay. Well, I think we hit. Did we hit that level?
Did you see 80? I didn't see 80.
I didn't see it.
No,
but
not yet. No, I don't think we...
But it just flashed. I was like, okay, when did that happen and how did I miss it?
Okay, I think
actually, I think the high of the day is actually showing in our system at around 80,039. So...
our team should just check that and put that out if he did sort of hit right at the word go.
Yes, it did actually.
And so we'll just, there you go. Sensex hits 80,000 and then of course it's cooled off very quickly after that. So that's essentially what's coming through. The markets, of course, had a relentless move higher. The Nifty, by the way, is up about 90 points and 24,218. It'll be nice, interesting to see the contribution played for the Nifty right at the word go. And I think overwhelmingly it should be, that single name, which is HDFC Bank, which should come up next on your screen with that, near 11%, 12% weight in the Nifty and about a 30% weight in the Nifty Bank. There you go. 3% higher on HDFC Bank, 1778, 1780 on that particular stock. But so much more opening up, Sonia.
Absolutely. I mean, I just can't, look away from the headline index, right? 80,000 for the first time ever. Remarkable move. Of course, I think the market has come off a little bit from there. But, I mean, we're just talking about 200 points here and there on the Sensex, right? The grand old index hitting that milestone. Terrific move in this market, right? The Nifty is now up over 100 points. 100 points has become par for the course now. On a daily basis, we've been seeing this huge opening. And some of the other, player is sort of performing. Today, it's HDFC Bank's turn. But apart from that, you have Kotak Bank, Axis Bank. The entire Bank Nifty is really on fire. Look at that. 500 points higher on the Bank Nifty right now. It's a 1% move straight off the back. The mid-cap index is firing on all cylinders. Just goes to show that, the basis of every bull market rally has been fundamental growth, earnings growth. And that is something that is really working for our markets. So let's take stock of some stocks that are in the news, right? Avenue Supermarts, let's look at that. The business update was very strong. 18.5% revenue growth is what the company clocked in Q1. So that's a 0.5% rise over there. ICICI Lombard is also on my radar this morning because CLSA has upgraded ICICI Lombard to a outperform from a hold. And look at that, 2.5% higher there. They've actually raised their target price to 2,000 rupees on ICICI Lombard. So big moves coming in there. IEX, of course, we've spoken about that ad nauseum. Strong business update in June. Electricity volumes have gone up almost 25%. So that's another stock that has been looking very good over there. Couple of these names like, Hero MotoCorp, etc. continue to move higher. Maruti Suzuki is also in the green this morning. So auto stocks are not doing too badly. But really, it is the overall market that is just surging away. Even in the broader markets, MOIL, Nigel has been talking about that all morning. 8% higher on MOIL this morning. And a couple of other names like Federal Bank, very strong business updates coming through. But Nigel, what a terrific market, right? 400-point rally on the Sensex now is just not letting up.
Absolutely, Sonia. Just take a look at a few of these names which are moving very, very well. PFC and REC, both of them are in focus. Bernstein has come out with the note. They've initiated coverage. I like the head of the note. They say love them or hate them, but you can't ignore them. REC and PFC, both of them opening with gains of from 2 to around 3%. IRDA, that ended yesterday virtually at the high point of the day, and that's building on one of the top volume movers today. In fact, that's up close to 5.5%. So from yesterday's low till today, the stock has gained close to around 10%. That's in the matter of 2 sessions. MMF, FSL, they have come, that stock has come under pressure post its quarterly update that they reported. So that stock, in fact, is down close to 2.5%. It was down 3.5%. It's pulled back a little bit from the low point of the day. As Sonia mentioned, MOIL, that's reacting to a favorable, operational performance that it reported. So very good going out there. That stock is up close to around 8% as we speak. It actually had corrected close to around 10% from the recent peak, and now it's pulling back a little bit. You have NLC India. Well, out there, the lignite production was up 22%. The coal production was up close to around 35%. So the street likes that. Allied Blenders, new listing. Well, yesterday it ended with a gain of more than 10%. Today as well, it's up close to around 3%. And KEC International, they've received new orders worth around 1,000 crore rupees from the T&D as well as renewable business. So the street likes that. So all these stocks doing well. On the flip side, JK Paper, after yesterday's big run, under some pressure, and Angel One as well, continues to see some profit taking, down close to around 2%. We've heard from the regulator. Let's see what's the counter action that they can come up with. Prashant.
You know, so 100 points to show for it this Wednesday morning as we open trade. 24,230 is where we are at. I think we kind of sort of ran through most of what is moving. Maybe one or two more names. Genus Power is up 5% and very large volumes. Orient Cement had a big day on Monday. Yesterday it was down sharply. It's back up about 4% once again here. Subex Limited is up about 4.5%, and there is Schneider, which is up 3.5%. Walchand Nagar is another one, which is starting about 5% in the green. So this is, you know, roughly and broadly what's going through. On the downside, you've got CDSL, which is down 2%. So a little bit of pullback. It's had a sharp move up on the back of that sort of first bonus, pre-bonus announcement. And then, of course, after the bonus came through, Garden Reach Shipbuilders, one-way move. It's consolidating down slightly. Infosys, which has seen a sharp move going into, of course, next week earnings, etc. They're seeing a bit of a pullback. And I think PG Electroplast, which is, again, you know, a one-way move, which is seen is down about 2.5%. Viatech Vabag is down 1%, Policy Bazaar is down 2%, but this is just, you know, SL Propack is down 0.5%. It was a big mover yesterday. These are just pullbacks after sharp run-ups. Everywhere you look, I mean, markets have done exceedingly well. So you get some sort of bouts of profit taking as well. Pratik.